Woodworking is a fulfilling hobby that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and the satisfaction of building something tangible. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, there are countless projects to explore. One intriguing idea is to create a custom wooden coffee table, which can serve as both a functional piece of furniture and a focal point in your living space. Choosing the right wood. The first step in any woodworking project is selecting the right type of wood. For a coffee table, hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple are excellent choices due to their durability and aesthetic appeal. Each type of wood has its unique grain patterns and colors, allowing you to personalize your project. Consider the overall style of your home when making your selection. Designing your table. Once you've chosen your wood, it's time to design your table. You can sketch out your ideas on paper or use design software for a more precise plan. Think about the dimensions that will fit your space, the style you want, modern, rustic, etc., and any additional features like drawers or shelves. A well-thought-out design will make the building process smoother. Gathering tools and materials. Before you start building, gather the necessary tools and materials. Basic tools include a saw, drill, sander, and clamps. Additionally, you'll need wood glue, screws, and finishing materials like stain or varnish. If you're new to woodworking, consider investing in a beginner's toolkit that includes essential tools, cutting and shaping the wood. With your design in hand and tools ready, begin cutting the wood according to your measurements. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Shaping the wood may involve using a router for decorative edges or sanding to smooth out rough surfaces. This stage is crucial as it sets the foundation for your table. Assembling the table. After cutting and shaping, it's time to assemble your coffee table. Use wood glue and screws to join the pieces securely. Ensure everything is square and level. This will affect the overall stability and appearance of the table. Consider using clamps to hold the pieces together while the glue dries. Finishing touches. Once the assembly is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Sand the entire surface to prepare it for finishing. You can apply a stain to enhance the wood's natural beauty or paint it for a more modern look. A protective finish, such as polyurethane, will safeguard your table from wear and tear. Adding personalization. To make your coffee table truly unique, consider adding personal touches. You might engrave a design, incorporate a live edge, or even attach decorative legs. These details can transform a simple table into a statement piece that reflects your personality and style. Maintenance and care. After completing your coffee table, it's essential to understand how to care for it.